why. It's like my time has doubled. I've all of a sudden been able to drink more, spend more time with the kids, and the house is clean. Why wouldn't you?
I've got more time riding the horse.
There's no way that can clean as good as I can clean. There's no way that could be as good as bitch as I can be.
Clean this house, I don't care what you say. It's all pretty hard. Get out of the way. Run me down. Here we go. Clean this. There's lots of names. I really wanted to call it something creative like the Slave or Gimp, but I didn't think it was appropriate.
I heard about Michael's Gimp, but I didn't understand fully what he was explaining.
So we've stuck to Sadie.
Like a bird on a wingy, wingy, wingy. I like to rumba. Samba, samba, samba.
Are you worried that this is going to land up on YouTube?
No, I'm not worried about it too much, but no, like, oh, that's a bit nipple. I think I was going to call it the Gimp, but Sadie does a great job, you know. Like, we're relaxing back here on a Saturday night, and our house is getting clean. What more do you want?
Your equipment is rather noisy.
So what's it doing now?
It's homing in on its station. So just press the button. Time for the videos to go. Today the house is clean, and we've let this sucker go to do its thing. Now look at that. That's
your own day. You only had right here 2 hours.
after the cleaners are done.
Wow, mind blowing.
What? My car has some cute. No, I want the couch.
No,
Come back.
That's gold. That's gold.
I need to get me a Gimp. I like to Roomba. I like to... Woo!